Have you ever been out alone and had a feeling that something just wasn't quite right? Maybe while traveling in a foreign city or even country. But how can you protect yourself when oftentimes we're not allowed to travel with the weapon? Well, I'm going to show you how to make one quick and easy. Make a habit of bringing a couple of magazines with you when you travel, and toss a few rubber bands in your bag too. When you get off the plane or at your hotel, take the magazines. Make sure they're the same size and not too thick. Line them up, and from the spine side, roll them as tightly as you can. Be sure to secure them tightly with the rubber bands as you go. In just a couple of minutes, you'll have a self-defense weapon that delivers quite a thump. Let's take a look. This simple item will fit easily in the door of your rental car or neatly into a backpack or purse, and definitely packs the power to knock out an assailant. Now you can feel just a little bit more protected no matter where you go, because you can take or find these everyday items anywhere. Make one for yourself. You'll be surprised at how effective it is. When you do, leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I hope you found this helpful. Please share, like, and subscribe, and of course, travel safe.
Yeah.